In terms of your job description, or the duties that you performed on the days you placed them on record, you said you were assigned to escort.
Yes, that's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo ke ngangixokiwe ukuthi mangiyo escorta kuya ngomsebenzi engiwenzayo.
Does it also entail arresting a suspect?
Just clarify, my lord.
Does your job also allow you to arrest a suspect?
Yes, my lord.
Yebo umsebenzi wami uyangigunyaza ke ukuthi umsolwa ngambopha.
So are you familiar with the provisions relating to the arrest of an offender or a perpetrator? Are you aware of those?
Yes, my lord.
Yebo ngiyaqaphela lokho ke ukuthi khona imigomo emayelana ke nokuboshwa ngomsolwa.
So prior to your being employed as a Metro Police officer, you were trained how to arrest a person.
That's correct, man.
Angokuba ke ngizosebenzela ke iMetro Police ngaqeqeshwa ke ukuthi umuntu uboshwa kanjani.
Alright.
Kanye inyathelo umuntu afanele ukuthi ayithathe angokuba ke azobopha umuntu.
So this arrest, since you started in 2014, sorry, 2019 if I'm is it
2014.
2014, that's correct, yeah. Since 2014, it was your, I would say not daily practice, but something common in your, when you're performing your duties.
To
arrest an individual or a perpetrator who's committing an offense or who has committed an offense.
I could confirm to that, yes, my lord. It's part of being a police officer.
Ngaqinisekisa ke lapho ukuthi ukubopha umuntu kwakuyinto vele eyayijwayelekile ngoba kwakuyingxenye yomsebenzi wami.
Do you know when you effect an arrest where there is a warrant and where there is no warrant of arrest?
Do I know?
Sorry?
You are
Do
saying,
you understand
that
when you perform your duties as an arresting officer, I will put it as an arresting officer.
Yes, ma'am.
You can arrest with a warrant or without a warrant.
Yes, ma'am.
Ngiyakuzwisisa lokho ukuthi ke uma ngizobopha okanye ngisisebenzi samaphoyisa esizobopha umuntu ukuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukuboshwa i-warrant ingekho nokuthi aboshwe futhi i-warrant ikho. Lokho ngiyakwazi.
When accused number 1 was arrested, were you present?
No, my lord.
Makaboshwa umsolwa wokuqala bengekho.
And number 2, were you present when he was arrested?
No, my lord.
Kanti nommangalelwa wesibini uma eboshwa mina bengekho.
All right. So on that particular day, when you first saw the accused, were you not the driver of the motor vehicle, of the police vehicle?
I was, my lord.
Ngalolu suku ke mangalo dibana kanye ukubona ummangalelwa bekuyimina ke obeyishala ke le moto amaphoyisa.
For every destination, did you record in the motor vehicle logbook?
Not every destination, my lord. We only record the first time you start the vehicle.
Hayi kuyo yonke indawo ke esindlule kuzo kodwa ke sibhala phansi okokuqala ke uma uqala ukusebenzisa ke imoto ngalo suku we i-logbook yemoto.
And at the end of your shift.
Futhi ke okunye sikubhalayo ke siphinde sibhale imininingwane mayelana ke nokusebenza ekupheleni kosuku ke.
So if you were to travel from, for instance, Albertine to Soweto, there's no reason, or there's no reason to record that.
Not in the logbook, my lord, but you would record in your pocketbook or diary.
Isizathu ukubaleka kukho kangako ukuthi sesisuka manje advertency ya eMoroka police station.
So
Kodwa ke okubalekile ukuthi konke ke lokho kubhalwe kwi-pocketbook nokuthi kubhalwe khona laphana kwi-logbook.
So on the days you performed your duties, did you record on your pocketbook?
Yes, my lord.
Uma ngenza ke umsebenzi wami ngalolo suku ke omayelana ke naleli cala ngabhala ke kwi-pocketbook yami.
Were you requested to make a copy of your pocketbook?
No, my lord.
Azange ngicelwe ke ukuthi ngenze icopy ye-pocketbook yami.
May I consult my colleague, my lord?
Yes.
Thank you. Sorry, sir. Is that pocketbook still available?
From 2019, no, my lord. Pocketbook is not available anymore as the unit, the SWAT unit, was disbanded.
Should leyo pocketbook ayisekho ke kakhulukazi njengoba sikhuluma ke ngalowo nyaka we-2019 ngoba ke lelo gatsha ke le-SWAT laqedwa.
Okay. In relation to there's a version according to both accused that there was a form of assault on the tubing of the suspects, and you were also present during the course of that illegal act. Can you confirm that? Or you
Mr.
disagree
Mngomezulu,
with
please, can you
that?
speak up? Can you speak up, please? I can't even hear you.
Oh, sorry, my lord. Sorry.
No.
During the course of the assault, of the arrest, oh, sorry, were you any way involved in the trooping of both accused number 1 and number 2?
No,
Or
my lord.
assaulting?
No, my lord, as the only interaction we would have with the accused was during the escorting.
Cha, azange ngifake isandla ekutheni lona ke umangalelo kanye abasolwa babashaye ngaleyo ndlela ke bahlukunyezwe ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi babavale mhlawumbe ke ebusweni okanye babachuphe kanjalo ukuthi bangakhona ukuphefumula. Into ke engayisho mina ke ukuthi ukubonana okanye baseduze nabo ke abamangalelwa ingekathi ke sihlinzeka ngeenkonzo zethu zokubavikela okanye zokubaphephisa.
So before I conclude, you say you won't be able to provide the logbook of the trips that you have taken, and you won't be able to provide the occurrence book in which you recorded all the
As I mentioned, my lord, the unit was disbanded. We were all redeployed to various units.
Njengoba sengishilo ke ukuthi lelo gatsha laqedwa saphinde ke safa kwamanye amagatsha ke umsebenzi.
So the office we were utilizing was no more in use. So I don't know if their records were kept or what happened to them.
Lelo office ke kwakuyilona ke i-office legatsha lethu lalungasasetshenziswa. Manje ke anginaso ke isiqiniseko sokuthi babeka yini wonke amaphepha okanye amafayili amayelana ke nemsebenzi sasiyenza khona lapha kulelo gatsha.
All right. So may I just take you on the day in which you said you escorted when you were traveling with escorting the police when they were traveling with accused number 2 to Foslorus court.
Okay, and then you're referring to the 19th?
To the 19th.
Yes, my lord.
What time was it when you reached Foslorus court?
It was about 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Manje ke nge-19 ke uma sihambisa lona ke umsolo simsa khona laphana ke eFoslorus magistrate safika ke eFoslorus magistrate court ngo-1.
What was the reason for was it the first appearance of the accused? Do you know?
I'm not sure, man.
Isizathu sokuvelela kwakhe eNkantolo angisazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ke ube yoqala ukuvelela eNkantolo noma ke beyenzani kodwa ke isizathu angisazi.
Do you know the reason why you arrived at 1 o'clock?
Yes, my lord, because the completion of the statement at Morocco was around about 12.
Yebo ke isizathu ngiyasazi senza ukuthi sifike ngo-1 o'clock khona laphana ke eNkantolo yase Foslorus ukuthi ke ukuhlinza kwake ngestatement esiyenziwe khona laphana ke eMorocco lokho ke kwaqedwa ngo-12 o'clock. Isona ke isizathu esenza ukuthi sifike ngo-1 o'clock khona laphana ke magistrate yase Foslorus.
All right. So, in other words, now I don't want to put you into the work of the Sergeant Mohane, because you said you were not part of it. You were just as escorting.
Yes, my lord.
So, after the taking of the alleged confession at Morocco police station, you said at 12 o'clock. Were you present when the accused number 2 was transported back to Pretoria North Mode?
No, my lord, as we dispersed from Foslorus.
Bengekho ke ngenkathi ummangalelo wesibini ephindiselwa le eMod ePretoria ngoba ke ukusuka eFoslorus saseke siyahlukana ke khona lapho omunye ke wathatha indlela yakhe.
Okay, may I just put the version of accused number 2 first, for the reason that the evidence relates to the date of the 19th. He was arrested on the 16th. He was arrested on the 16th of June 2020 by Constable Mabena and Mohani. And he was taken to Foslorus. Do you know anything about it?
On the 16th, my lord?
Yes,
No.
when he was arrested.
No, my lord.
Kanti ke akho lutho engilaziyo ke mayelana ke nokuthi uthi lo ummangalelo wesibini uwaboshwa ke nge-16 kaJune.
Alright.
Kanti ke uboshwa njena uConstable Mabena noMohani wathathwa ke wayiswa phela laphana ke eFoslorus. Angazi lutho ke ngalokho.
There's something that I'm not feeling well. My lord, I'm not feeling well. There's something that...
Was it?
I'm not feeling well. There's something troubling my chest.
Meat.
My chest. That's why my voice is...
I'm asking. Meat zabantu.
Meat. Bangposa.
Yeah, about pause. So you want us to do what? A Jane or what?
Can you ask Jane, please, my lord?
For the day or what?
For the day, my lord, please.
Baloy?
That's in order. That is in order.
What's your time then?
1442 my lord.
1440. 1440.
1440. Normally we adjourn at 3:30. That's it.
1440, yes.
Okay, for the reasons by Mr. Mngomezulu, stating that he feels uncomfortable. He's got some quell on his chest. So we shall adjourn. Are you available on Monday, sir?
I am, my lord.
Okay. And the other councillors, any objection, Mr. Mngomezulu? I mean, Mr. Macy and
I'm available.
Mali
madam,
and Ms.
thank you.
Msholo.
I'm available. Thank you. I'm available.
No, about the adjournment.
Oh no. I have no objection. I have no objection to the adjournment. Thank you.
I appreciate the adjournment, my lord.
Okay. Okay, then we shall adjourn for those reasons.